Hey friends, my name is Romonica Caldwell and I am a Houston real estate broker. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 essential tips to buying your first home. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more information on buying, selling, or investing in the Houston metro area. Okay, home buyers out there, the very first tip I have for you is to make sure that you establish a relationship with an experienced mortgage professional. I know a lot of first-time home buyers know that you need to get qualified, know that you need to get pre-approved before going to shop for a home. But one thing that you may not have considered is the experience level of the loan officer that you're working with. I can't tell you the number of first-time home buyers that get so disappointed or get so discouraged about the home buying process because they feel like they don't understand the financing aspect of the home buying process. That can be because you're working with a lender or a loan officer that is inexperienced. Keep in mind, guys, there are lots of loan products, even first-time home buyer programs that are out there. Not all loan officers are created equal. Not all loan officers know about the different programs, the different incentives, the different opportunities that are out there. So that's all the more reason why you want to choose someone that is experienced. Keep in mind, there are 4 different loan products: the VA loan for veterans, the USDA loan if you're buying in a rural area, the conventional loan, usually used by individuals that have excellent credit, a large down payment, and even investors, the FHA loan, which is usually used by first-time home buyers. Sometimes if you're working with a loan officer, they may only be familiar with the FHA loan. They may have not done any transactions or work with any clients that are using a USDA loan or a VA loan. So you want to ask questions. You want to ask the loan officer, what types of loans have they done? What type of loans are they familiar with? A lot of first-time home buyer programs, they require individual loan officers to go get separate training to be able to authorize or offer those loan products. So you want to make sure that you're asking your loan officer, what programs are they familiar with? What programs are they authorized to do? There are a lot of loan programs that are available based off of your occupation. If you're a teacher, if you're a nurse, hero programs. You want to make sure that the loan officer you're working with is offering opportunities like that. You have to ask. If you don't let them know about what you need, sometimes they won't tell you, and that can be the downside. That's why you want to make sure that you're working with someone that is experienced enough to be able to catch items like that, because you're excited about the home buying process. What if you forget? You don't want your loan officer to forget or not know, so you want to make sure you're picking someone that has the right experience. And then my last note on this loan officer tip is that you want to make sure that your loan officer is giving you information about what to expect in terms of a down payment, closing costs, mortgage payments, what the interest rate is going to be. I can't tell you the number of people that come to me and ask me about their monthly payment when that is a loan officer question. You should be getting that information from your loan officer. So make sure they are giving you loan estimates. Make sure they're speaking to you about your financing and your financing to purchase a home. That's loan officer. Your experienced loan officer will be able to tell you those things in advance, and you won't have to ask, or should not have to ask, your realtor those particular things. Tip number 2 is make sure you work with a real estate professional that you can trust. You want to make sure that you have a realtor partner on your side that you feel comfortable confiding in. If you have some type of financial situation regarding credit, if you have some type of financial situation regarding income, share that information with your realtor so they can help you pick a loan officer that will best guide you. They may even know some individuals regarding credit repair that can assist you. I've worked with business owners that have not had their tax situation together, so I had to get them help with a tax professional. And also sometimes you might not know how much money you have available for savings. So I've had to connect individuals with financial advisors to navigate that process. So make sure that you are comfortable sharing your information or where you are with your real estate professional so that they can guide you in the right direction. Also, you want to make sure that your real estate agent is familiar with analysis and familiar with data, so they can let you know about price changes, they can let you know about market analysis, they can let you know about trends in terms of the real estate industry. You want to make sure they're familiar with geographical areas, so they can tell you what's going on in different neighborhoods, tell you about new construction that may be popping up. So those are things that you should look for in your real estate professional. You should be able to trust your real estate professional. You should feel like that person has your back and they want your best, they have your best interests at heart, and they're not just trying to work with you just to get a commission check, guys. So make sure that you pick someone you trust, because this is going to be a long-term investment for you. So you want to be able to depend on or rely on their feedback and their expertise, so that you're not struggling through the transaction or feeling insecure about the transaction. And then tip number 3 is make sure that you understand neighborhood analysis, market analysis, and data. A lot of times buyers are concerned about neighborhood safety, crime, if the homes are selling in the area are too high, if their offer is too low, different things like that. You want to make sure, again, that you're working with a real estate professional that can help you, that can tell you where to go. That you want to make sure that you're looking at Google Maps. You want to make sure that you're looking at real estate websites to see different neighborhoods, looking at crime reports. There's a lot of due diligence that you can do online to research neighborhoods before you buy in that neighborhood, so that you, as the buyer, feel comfortable about that particular area or that particular neighborhood. Your real estate agent also has so much access, especially in the Houston area. We have access to tons of real estate data. So you want to make sure that you're working with an individual that can share that data with you, so that you can make the best decision for you and your family by looking at the data, statistics, and analysis. So you want to just get very familiar with asking those questions and going through that process, so that you're making the right decision for your family. Those are all 3 of my tips. Make sure you work with a experienced loan officer. Make sure you have a realtor that you can trust, and make sure that you understand neighborhood data analysis and trends. If you have any other questions about the home buying process, definitely feel free to give me a call. I am a Houston real estate broker. I work with buyers, sellers, and investors in the Houston metro area. And if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, I'm looking forward to working with you if you are in the Houston area. Talk soon. Stay tuned for the next video.